takes 1 hour to reach the zoo, so we are having snacks. Now we are in Al-Ain in Abu Dhabi. So guys, this is the national animal of the UAE, the Arabian oryx.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh,
So guys, now we are in the zoo. Let's go.
and speak just my mind. Oh.
So guys, these are the more gazelles. The newborns of the more gazelles are hidden for the first week. They start to follow their mother after a few days. Oh my goodness.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind
Ostriches are very big birds.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
The search duck.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Well, missing there over. The water will come out over there.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some
Guys, look at the flamingos.
baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Oh.
Shrimp and insects that are full of keratin. The same chemical that makes carrots orange. Guys, these are the swans. A fact about swans is that greater flamingos are the largest member of the flamingo family. The bill is pink with a restricted black tip and the legs are entirely pink. We never play 50 ducks and flamingos in the vlog. All over here. I never. Where are you? So guys, those are the Nubian ibex. Oh, look, where are the Arabian camels? Wow. Come on, guys. Let's see what's next. Wow, look, guys, there's a giraffe. Look guys, there are rhinoceros over there. There are 2 rhinoceros. There's another giraffe over there. So guys, here are the blue-necked ostriches. So guys, there is a vulture over there. It is called as the Poppel's vulture. These are called the Reptile spiny-tailed lizard. Look, there are many standing over there.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
So guys, these animals are called as the gems box.
Baby, you give me
To desert conditions.
you whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Guys, these are the ring-tailed lemurs.
baby, and treat myself at the spine.
Look, there's one right here.
Don't wanna
Ooh.
overthink it, baby. Just treat
Oh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, right now there's so many of
baby,
them.
you
Yeah, my.
ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
We were tired by walking in the zoo, so now we are having the lunch in the shade of the tree. And the branches hanging from the tree look like pretty decorations. Here is the lunch we brought from our home. It's biryani and curd. It's you that's good. Yeah, whatever. Today we're eating lunch filet like that. Cold ఉంది దాని లోపల.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
How many guys? Look at the lion and the lioness over there. Look guys, there are 2 lions walking around. This is the end of today's video. I had so much fun in the zoo. So let's meet in the next video. Bye.